Installation of flow meters part 3. Flow element installation. Lecture series on installation of flow meters. This lecture series consists of following lectures. Installation of flow meters part 1. This discussion considers primarily the installation of modern differential pressure transmitter, that is DP cell. Second lecture is installation of flow meters part 2. In this lecture we talk about the components for installation of flow meters. Third lecture is installation of flow meters part 3. In this lecture we talk about the flow element or the primary instrument installation. Orifice meter. Orifice meter. The average flow coefficient for the orifice flow meter is 0.61. In comparison, the Venturi is listed at 0.98. The Orifice is relatively inefficient flow device due to the turbulence involved. The coefficient is based on having a fully developed standard distribution of fluid velocity across the pipe. For this reason, maintaining listed upstream and to a lesser extent the downstream straight runs listed in the standards is important. Uncertainty rises rapidly with larger above 0.6 beta ratio. This is the ratio of orifice bore to pipe internal diameter. The orifice meter remains a popular meter and the market supplies a number of installation options. Figure in next slide shows the simple and least expensive orifice flange. To replace the orifice plate, it is necessary to shut down the pipeline, drain it and separate the flanges far enough to access the plate. Orifice flanges. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. Orifice flanges. The orifice flange determines and fixes the position of the orifice plate. Orifice fittings are of several types. The simplest allows replacement of the orifice plate without having to separate the flanges, and a single chamber design allows replacement of the orifice plate without opening the line. The two-chamber type allow replacement of the orifice plate without opening up the line. Single chamber Orifice fittings. The single chamber orifice fittings allows removal of the orifice without the problem of separating the flange, which can be difficult with larger pipe sizes. See figure in next slide. Single chamber orifice fittings. Dual chamber orifice fitting. The dual chamber fitting allows removal of the orifice plate and replacement without interrupting flow in the pipeline. See figure in next slide. Dual chamber orifice fitting. Insert orifice fitting. Several manufacturers now offer an insert orifice meter assembly similar to the other insert flow elements. This is commonly offered as complete assembly with manifold and transmitter. Installation considerations are similar to orifice tabs. Figure is shown in next slide. Insert orifice fitting. Upsets and noisy flow signals in horizontal lines in gas service have been reduced by drilling a drain hole in the orifice plate to prevent accumulations of liquid on the upstream side of the orifice plate. Otherwise, liquid would rise to a critical level and then be carried over through the orifice with a resulting upset in the signal. Drain holes also facilitate draining of these lines at shutdown. Definitions. Orifice fittings. The devices in the pipeline containing the orifice plate. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.